Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Today, we're really going to talk about your writing. And yesterday, we added some labels to your pages so that you could say more about what you had on the page. Like to mine, I added the deer and the car and the steering wheel and the road. So when you're adding words to your pages, you might not know how to spell every word, but remember, we have some tools to help us out. So you can see on my screen, I've got a word wall. Now, your word wall in your classroom might look different, but this is how my word wall looks. It's got the different alphabet pages with the different words on those pages. So you can look up your words on the word wall and add those in to your writing. So when there's a word we don't know, we can stretch it and use our sounds. If it's a snap word and it's on the word wall, we can look at the word wall and that will help us write the word, right? If we've forgotten how to write it. So when there's a word you know, like let's say you know car very well, C-A-R, right? You would write the word car, use a space, and then write the next word and keep going as fast as you can when you know the word and it's an easy word, like the, T-H-E, right? You would know that quickly, but maybe steering wheel would take you a little bit of time to stretch it. So if it's an easy word, look at Daisy here. Oh, that baby. She's so terrible. Do you need attention? So, here she is. Look at that dog. Oh, it's your baby. Say hi to the kids. Yeah. Did you just have dinner? Yes, you're just fine. So, when there's a word you know, and it's a snap word and it's easy, just write it, use a space, write the next word, and keep going as fast as you can so you can have smooth writing and remember what you're writing. If it's a little bit harder and you have to stretch it and sound it out, then take your time and stretch the word. But if you had to write like the car and you know the and car, you're not going to go and R. If you know T-H-E and C-A-R, you don't have to stretch it out. You know those in a snap, right, boys and girls? So the snap words you know, write them quickly and move on. And the harder words that you have to stretch and sound out, take your time on those and try and get as many sounds in as you can. So this is how you would use your word wall, was for those tough words that you may not know, and the snap words might be there too. So, and then the words that are not on there, you would stretch it out with your sounds. Okay, boys and girls, remember to be good writers, thinking about every word carefully. If it's a snap, write it in a snap and keep going. If it's a harder one, sound it out and get as many sounds in there as you can. Okay, I'm sure you're doing great. Keep it up.